Hello, little yogis. Welcome back to our happy yoga time. Yoga for flexibility. Are you ready? Let's go. Sitting with legs extended straight forward and feet flexed. Keep your spine tall and rest your hands beside your hips. Lie on your back. Lift your legs and hold your feet, drawing your knees toward your armpits. Gently stretch your hips and lower back. Squat low with feet wide. Bring palms together at your chest and use your elbows to open your knees. Keep your spine long and breathe deeply. Stand tall and hinge forward at your hips. Lengthen your spine into a flat back and rest your hands on your shins. Start on hands and feet. Lift your hips high into an inverted V shape. Stretch your legs and lengthen your spine. Step one foot forward into a lunge. Bend your front knee and keep the back leg straight. Reach your arms overhead with palms together. Step into a wide stance. Bend your front knee and stretch your arms out at shoulder height. Lie close to a wall and stretch your legs straight up. Rest your arms beside you and breathe slowly. Sit with the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet and gently open your knees. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders and gently lift your chest. Bridge pose. Lie on your back with knees bent. Press your feet down and lift your hips up. Sit cross-legged. Reach one arm overhead and lean gently to the side. Switch sides. Stand tall and balance on one foot. Place the other foot on your calf and bring hands to your heart. Bend your knees like sitting on a chair. Lift your arms up and stay strong. Come into a low squat. Press your palms together and open your knees gently. Step one foot forward and extend that leg straight. Shift your hips back to stretch the hamstring. Switch sides. Come onto hands and knees. Round your back and tuck your chin. Drop your belly down and lift your chest. Move slowly with your breath. Stand tall. Reach one arm overhead and lean gently to the side. Switch sides. Lie on your back. Drop your knees to one side and stretch your arms wide. Switch sides. Half bow pose. Lie on your stomach. Hold one foot behind you and gently lift your chest. Switch sides. Sit or stand tall. Bring your palms together at your heart. Lie down on your back. Stretch your arms and legs wide like a star. Close your eyes and relax. Thank you, little yogis. Subscribe now for more yoga fun. See you in the next yoga adventure.